With great pleasure, we would like to welcome you to WAM-Technik, a company in Warsaw designing and producing dedicated battery packs for industrial applications since 1992.
The process optimizer during the KITT4SME project was resistant welding. Each battery system have hundreds of welding points. One wrong welding point is enough to make battery system non-functional. Because previous methods were unable to monitor the quality, we decided to support them with an AI solution.
The successful implementation of the AI solution was possible thanks to the cooperation between WAM-Technik as the manufacturing end user, Eraneos as the technology provider, and Warsaw University of Technology as the coach of the pilot demonstration.
Eraneos Analytics is a data and AI consultancy with a wide range of expertise in developing solutions using artificial intelligence and data analytics that bring value for our clients across industries.
To meet WAM-Technik's aspiration of maintaining highest quality and efficiency standards, we developed a shop floor anomaly detection system.
This system leverages advanced machine learning algorithms using online sensor data of measurement and production devices to identify faulty welding points that need to be redone.
As a team researchers from the Faculty of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering at the Warsaw University of Technology, we substantively supported the WAM-Technik team at every stage of the AI implementation, as well as in the understanding of the AI model's functioning and a proper interpretation of the obtained results.
The quality control process is realized by an AI algorithm, which continuously reads different data from the welding machine and predicts whether the welding point is faulty or not, with an accuracy of 80%. The quality control operator is therefore empowered on deciding the quality level of the product. As a result, the time required to produce these units has been shortened by 15%. By participating in the KITT4SME project, WAM-Technik also familiarized itself with the benefits of leveraging AI implementations and opened new perspectives for further innovations. Shop floor anomaly detection system is a composable module of KITT4SME and can also be applied to other related cases to identify quality control. This is in line with the true spirit of KITT4SME: facilitate, accelerate, and lower the barriers for SMEs to successfully adopt AI in their products and processes.